In the area of your suerte or good fortune, we have the Ten of Cups, the happily ever after cups, you choosing happiness with the people that you love, having that gratitude with the things that you have in life, a home or a family or a good job, kahit nahihirapan ka sa trabaho mo, you choosing to be very, very happy and content with that, a fulfillment nararamdaman mo doon. So this will come to you this week, January 27th to Feb 2, that immense energy of gratitude, love, and happiness in your life. So let's clarify that. The Ten of Cups being clarified. Meron Six of Swords. Oh, naulit yung Six of Swords. It's a really, really good, parang sinasabi talaga sa'yo ng spirit guides mo na, yeah, you have to let go of the things, move forward to happiness, go on to the things that makes you happy, go on to the things that provides security, happiness, and abundance to you and your family. Unahin mo yung mental health mo, yung harmonious relationship